Welcome viewers, hope you are having a good time. Today's video is about how to crochet this type of beautiful beaded lace edging or border with your shawls or clothes. For this, firstly we will attach thread, then make spaces in first row. At the start of first row, attach with single crochet, then make 3 chains and attach at next space with single crochet. Again make 3 chains and attach at next space with single crochet. If you feel trouble to insert crochet into the cloth, then you can make a hole with the help of sewing needle. It will make your work easier. Again make 3 chains and attach at next space with single crochet. Repeat this pattern at the end of first row. At the start of second row, firstly make 1 single crochet at first space. Pull the thread through first space and pass over through 2 loops. Then make 1 half double crochet into this space. Yarn over the thread, pass through space and pull the thread through all 3 loops. Then make 1 double crochet, yarn over the thread, pass through space and firstly pull the thread through first 2 loops, then again pull the thread through last 2 loops. Double crochet is a little bit longer than half double crochet. Then make 1 half double crochet into space and again make 1 single crochet into this space. Repeat this pattern to all next spaces.